Okay, welcome to week 11 content where we're going to talk about recreation. And so thinking back before spring break, by the way, hope everyone had a great spring break, and the multiplier effect that is resulting from tourism and what those dollars equate to. And so when you think about the word recreation, which by the way could be a major if you were to go on into a hospitality related major in a four-year college, so when you think about recreation, you might be thinking about, relieving stress, getting some balance, having some leisure and wellness. Those are what some of these images are. And so we'll explore this week the couple of different opportunities for either government-sponsored recreation. I'd like to spend some time to think about careers in government-sponsored recreation. This is maybe a little bit of a difficult topic right now because of the current political climate and the different kinds of cuts that are being made to government spending and overall government size. But the National Park Management organization is set up to be able to manage the park programs that the United States has, provide resource education, facility management in conjunction with the managed services that we heard about a couple of weeks ago. And it could be such things as Parks and Rec in a local community area. The other form of recreation that we're going to talk about is commercial recreation or for-profit recreation. And those can be theme parks. I would say probably the most well-known in the state of California would be Disneyland. However, it began with Knott's Berry Farm. We, of course, have the Magic Kingdom as well as Epcot, Hollywood Studios in Disney, Universal Studios, SeaWorld parks, Hershey's, which has an interesting history, as well as some regional theme parks, such as Legoland down in San Diego. We also have animal attractions, such as zoos. Think about the San Diego Zoo here in our state, closer to home, the Monterey Zoo, and there's even a zoo at the San Francisco Pier 39. So those are just some of the examples of commercial recreation and some of the job opportunities that you'd have in those kinds of fields. Hopefully you enjoyed some of the videos that I selected to be able to view some of those recreation opportunities. And within this chapter as well, or within this week's content as well, we also think about clubs. Private clubs, mostly, most common types of clubs I think of as country clubs. And a lot of the opportunities within those club kind of working settings would be similar to a hotel, similar to a recreation area, similar to a restaurant, because they do have some overlapping amenities that they offer to their members. First and foremost, the members pay an initiation fee and annual dues. So they feel like they own the space that they are using, which could be an interesting dynamic when you're managing such a facility. If you're interested in more information about this, the Club Managers Association of America can give you insight into this kind of profession. Country clubs most commonly have a golf course, swimming pool, tennis courts. Now I would imagine pickleball courts since they're up and coming. But these would be some of the amenities that you would expect in a club. There's other clubs as well, university clubs, military clubs, yacht clubs, that you can find as well if that's of interest to you to learn a little bit more. So I hope you enjoyed this week's content, recreations, attractions, and clubs, and you're able to think about the relationship of recreation and leisure to wellness and overall how it fits within our tourism industry. The government-sponsored recreations, commercial recreation, how to operate a country club, and then some of the videos that I've attached as well as the reading materials in your textbook. Have a great week ahead. Thank you.